Alright, so I just now mocked the turbo kit up. I took it all off. I've got to wrap everything, but I just wanted to verify fitment. It all fit great. I'm literally about ready to put this motor in, but I got to do one more thing, and let's do the head cooling mod from MMR. Got to knock these plugs out, and then I pray. I've installed 2 of these in the past, and I've had to cut like 2 threads off the end of this bolt because the bolt would bottom out in the head before it's seated on the surface of the recess in the adapter. So we'll knock these out, put those in, and pray that the bolt's not too long. It's just simple. Now I just got to build the line real quick. Hit it till it folds. It'll fold around in there. You don't want to damage that at all either. That'll be bad juju. Like that. Same thing on this side. Smack the bottom until it slips in the hole. Just like that. Brand new harness from Ford. Holy. Make sure I can plug this crank sensor up before I put all this together. All these adapter fittings for the inlines, little pipe tape. Make sure you use that. They'll leak. No show. They will leak indeed. Let's see. Looks like that socket's not right there. Oh, no socket, so unfortunately I'm gonna have to use a good old adjustable wrench. So unfortunately, with this Team ZK member, right there where this dowel is, it is not allowing the motor mount to sit flat on the surface of the K member. So what I have to do is I'm gonna have to go ahead and drop the K member back out, and a lot of people are saying to just cut that dowel down. So that's what I'm gonna do next. Currently it sucks, but I got the engine supported, so I can go ahead and just drop that out real quick and do both sides so it'll sit flush. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to doing that now, and we'll see how she goes. Hopefully get some good stuff done today. I figured it'd be easy if I just pull the mount off and just grind the stud off on the ground. Just try to do it in the car. Steel toe shoes, by the way. I cut them toes off. There's the first one. You see, I just, let's get the focus there. There you go, and just flush. Do both of them like that. All right, so I got the engine in. Went ahead and did the power steering pump, and I tucked away the starter wires. So this is the factory 4.6 starting harness, and I just reused it like I showed in the previous video. And I tucked it up behind the power steering pump, right there, the block. It goes right up to like the factory area. So on an NA car, you can just put the battery there and it just cranks. I mean, just plugs right up and cranks. But of course, this is the turbo car, and I'm putting the turbo close to where the battery was. So the battery's going to go on the back. But anyhow, this is what it looks like now. I got to build the oil filter lines and mount the filter. I'm going to mount it somewhere, I think about right in there, like I did on my Cobra. And I'm going to tie his exhaust in all the way to his factory, or not his factory, but where the aftermarket location is right there. So it's going to be like a 3.5 inch, and then wide to whatever that is. I'm assuming like a 2.5 to 7/8 or something. But it's looking good for the most part. Got a lot of clutter to clear up. I'm going to start wrapping the crossover and merge, and then build the drain dash 10 drain. It's going to come off the turbo. I'm about to put the belt on, and then of course I'm going to build AC lines eventually. But man, I love this new pan. Like, I want to put this on my Cobra. Look at the ground clearance. It's just perfect. On my Cobra, it hangs like literally to the bottom of my foot there. It hangs so low. This pan's so much better. And I did do the Maximum Motorsports K-Member Spacer kit, because I want to keep the stock hood as much as possible under here. So I want to try to drop the engine down. I think we'll be okay. Yeah, I think we'll be good. Man, it's looking sharp though. I'm gonna get these covers painted red fire to match the car. I'm not gonna do it too overkill, but wasn't bad putting the motor in from the bottom. It's a one-man job. Two if you really want to ease some mind and some help. But man, perfect. Love it. But you know, I can trim the timing cover there for the pulley and the power by the hour clutchless alternator that I got. And then there I got their Sadden Performance mini AC compressor, and I'll build some custom lines off that.